5 parenthesis 3 plus 24 divided 2 times 3 parenthesis closed. How do we solve this? So as per the order of operation, we first solve the parenthesis called the bracket. After that, exponent, order, indices, roots. Then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we have addition, division and multiplication. But writing in this order does not mean that multiplication has any precedence over division. We group them together, multiplication, division, and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first, because division is nothing but the reciprocal of multiplication. So we follow this rule of left to right. Same goes for addition and subtraction also, but only after when we solve multiplication, division, we solve addition and subtraction. Now as per this order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, and within parenthesis also we have to follow this rule of left to right and order of operation. So 3 plus, now from left to right we have division first, so it will be 24 divided by 2, 12, then times 3, bracket closed. In the next step we will do multiplication before addition. 12 times 3 is 36. Now we add 36 plus 3 is 39. Once we did the operation, we can remove the bracket, and when there is no sign here, it means there is multiplication, so it is 5 times 39. Now 39 times 5 is 195. What if you don't follow the left to right rule and just follow the letters of the operation? In that case, answer will be different. 5 bracket 3 plus 24. Now 2 times 3 is 6, so it is 24 divided by 6. Now 5 parenthesis 3 plus 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, so it is 5 times 7. Answer is 35. So if you follow PEMDAS and just the letters, then answer is 35. But what if you follow PEDMAS? Then there is confusion. In PEDMAS you see D is written first. Both are same rule, but D is written first, then you do the division first, and then you get the answer 195. So in order to rule out the confusion, whichever rule you follow, whether PEMDAS, PEDMAS or BIDMAS or PIDMAS, you follow the rule of left to right, so that you get correct answer whether you follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.